Well, guys, we're down here still trading from the keys. Went 2 for 3 today. Real nice day in the daytraderchatroom.com. Check it out. Well, guys, today shaped up to be a really nice day. Went 2 for 3 trading this morning. Small caps, they're not trading the greatest. They're not trading very clean either. But nonetheless, we're doing very well. We're staying disciplined in the day trader chat room, and we're doing well. We're executing accordingly. One of the main things that we had to focus on today was risk management. Risk management, because these stocks weren't really trading ultra clean. Support zones were getting violated. Resistance levels were holding a little bit tight. Late morning towards 11 o'clock, we had a big run on OBSV. Missed out on that one, but I'm not even upset about missing out on it, because the reality is that the stock had violated the support zones already. So, it was not an easy trading day today. Okay, and I'm going to show you, it's evident by the charts. It wasn't an easy trading day today. So if you're actually green today, or if you're not even red, maybe you didn't take a trade or you're break even, pat yourself on the back. I'm telling you right now, pat yourself on the back, because it's a great show of discipline by you. So let's go ahead and not waste too much time and jump into the charts real quick.
All right, guys. So today started off in pre-market. I told you guys I really didn't like much. Let me grab the watch list over here, daytraderchatroom.com watch list. I had EYG, OBSV, XELA, DYAI, BT on watch. DYAI gave a big move today. XELA is actually given a decent little move, but you got to understand that these stocks have not made huge moves, with the exception of maybe DYAI that made a pretty sizable move. Now, I traded XELA, I traded DYAI, and I also traded OBSV, all right off the watch list today. Okay. Now, if we go to EYG, you see nothing at all. OBSV, which is my first trade of the day, this was a nice little setup. Oh, look, it just made new highs now. So this was a nice little setup earlier when we traded it. I caught this trade right in here. Let me scroll back some. So right in here, we broke up a VWAP on this candle, and then I just simply stepped in here and took a long right here in front of this 23.6 fib VWAP area, $3 zone as well. Okay, so right in there, I got long, and I got long 299 with a stop at 290 area. Took some off as we squeezed up over $3, 305. I took some off, then I took some more off as we pushed up higher and made new highs at 310. And then as we came back down, I got flat at $3. All right, that was it. That was my trade on OBSV. A really quick, small trade on that one. Now, it did make another push here. It started to hold this VWAP, and now we're actually starting to extend very well. As you can see, they've been trading extremely choppy and very difficult to trade. So if you're green on any of these names, you should pat yourself on the back, period. Next was XELA. Now, XELA was a losing trade for me. As you can see, this is another one that's traded rather choppy. We broke up. This one was called out in chat by a member, and I liked it. I liked it because we broke up through VWAP on an increase in volume right here, and then we began to hold VWAP right there. So we pulled in, and as we pulled in here, I stepped in and got long in front of that VWAP zone, and it looked like we were going to go, but we didn't. We cracked underneath VWAP, and I sold off. Now, let me take a quick look here at my alerts on XELA. Yeah, long 288, and then I got stopped out at 278. Okay, and that was my second trade of the day. Now, look, see a second time here, and now's when it decided to work. Now's when it decided to work some. So, my next trade this morning was DYAI. DYAI, we saw it in here, but I had trust issues with it, so I let it go. But once we got that 9 AMA crossover VWAP, we stepped in here as it pulled back into $5. It pulled back into $5, which is a daily level that was lining up with the 9 AMA and the 23.6 Fibonacci. So right in there, I came on in, and at 529, right, I got long with a stop at $5, and it was right here on that tail. We pushed up, and I just started taking some profits off. I took some profits off as we squeezed up towards the highs, and bang, I took, let me see, 1, 2, 3 take profits before I got stopped out. And I took profits all along this zone like that. All right. And then I got stopped out the rest. And that was it. It was a winning trade, green overall, and it's a green day for me. It's a base hit. Let me show you the alerts here in the daytraderchatroom.com dashboard. Well, not the dashboard, the chat itself. So here you go. Long OBSV 299, stop 290, taking some profits 305, taking some more profits 310, flat $3. Long XELA 288, stop 280, and it was supposed to be flat 278, not taking some profits. So flat 278. Then again, long DYAI 529, stop $5 area, taking some profits 540, some more profits 547. And I tried to get, I had an order out at 555. We hit 554.
Well, guys, if you're interested in learning more, come on over. There's a link in the description section and the comment section of this video. You can come join us for a 5-day trial at daytraderchatroom.com. All right. Also, Trade Ideas is going to be running a trial period here pretty soon. I'm going to leave you a link down there that you can just click and go over to the Trade Ideas website and sign up for that.
And then came back down. So 547 some profits, 543 some profits, and then flat 527 stopped out the rest, the remainder. So all in all, it's a base hit of a day, and I'll take it. 2 for 3. So if you go 2 for 3 and you're not green on the day, you're doing something wrong with the risk management. So 2 for 3 on the day, I'll take it and move on with the morning session here. So far, as you can see, a lot of these stocks are trading extremely choppy with these small caps, and sure, you have apparently now some outliers here in XELA, like making a real nice push. OBSV again with a big squeeze through the highs, but they have, if you miss these moves, don't be mad at yourself. They've been trading extremely choppy. All right, extremely choppy.
Well, guys, that's pretty much it for me today as far as the trading went. But like I said, the main thing today was making sure to stay disciplined. Today was an easy day to get chopped up, a very easy day to, dig yourself red early on and then not be able to just stop trading and jump back into trades at areas that you might not normally jump into, and just, do dumb things, do silly things that would cause you to go from, what could be a manageable small red day to a red day that might take you a couple weeks to dig out of. And you never want to do that. So today was a day where it was, in pre-market, I even told the group here at daytraderchatroom.com, I told everyone, I was like, guys, I don't really like anything in pre-market. Today's a day where I'm going to be very, very, very patient. Today's a day where I'm going to be very, very patient, and I'm not going to force anything for sure. And I'm going to be extremely picky as well on my entries. Thankfully, I was able to get out of most of my positions out on the ask. For the most part, good, solid entries. And I didn't force it. I took what the market gave me, and I didn't go beyond that. When you focus on base hits, the home runs come. They'll come. Right now, I'm just focusing on sitting in here and just going for base hits. The home runs will come on their own. So that's it for me today. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.